going on, traders? It's Dynamic Trades. Going over my daily recap. Today we profited 48 bucks today. Small green day, but I'll take it. We started off on the day being red actually, but ended up recovering during market open. So I made most of my trades pre-market. My first trade was on ATXI. Wait, was this that open? No, it was back here. Sorry. Let's see. It was back here. This one was pre-market. So my first order on this was at 16. So where was it at? Right here, anticipating this breakout spot right here. It was a 1 minute candle, kind of extended, which is kind of risky. Yeah, I was trying to anticipate this breakout point right here, but it rejected right here, and then I ended up selling for a 10-cent loss. So yeah, I bought at 16, sold at 15.80. So that was a 2-cent loss. Sorry, 2-cent loss right there. So that was my first red, and then I ended up getting back in at 16 right here, and I ended up selling at 6.14, which was just this little break. So it was just a couple cents, like right here, just anticipating that. So then I was green on the day. That was 14 cents. So then I'm up 12 cents, and then I took another trade on it. This one was actually a green trade too. So I ended up buying right here. This 1 minute candle to make a new high at 16. I put 16.48. I got filled at 16.35, and ended up selling at 16.59. So just this little breakout right here. And then I did another one. This is where 16.59. Yeah, and then I took another. This is my loss right here. So where was it at? 16.21. I was waiting for this reversal right here, so I bought at 16.21. Thought it was gonna pop back up, and it rejected. Waiting for this 1 minute pullback, and it just rejected. So I ended up taking a loss there. I bought at 16.21, and ended up stopping out at 16. So that was a 21-cent loss. And then I went to Fngr. I was watching it. It was kind of a little risky, but I ended up. I think I took a loss on that one. Yeah, 2 cents. So where was it at? 18. It was back here. 18. So yeah. Where was it at? It was more pre-market. It was back here after this. So I tried to get this 1 minute candle to make a new high. Just as approached this, rejected, and then just took a loss on it because it took a 2-cent loss on it. So that one rejected. It was picking up some volume a little bit. So I thought it was gonna, potential breakout spot, but no, it didn't. To try to hit it to retest this 9 area, but it didn't, so it failed. So I took a 2-cent loss on that one, and then my final trades of the day were on Aerc, and this is where I gained some profit. It was at market open on this one. So where's market open? Let's see here. Okay. So yeah, this one was really nice today. I didn't get to trade full at 6. I traded for a little bit. So so let me see here. So I had 4. So yeah, I got a 4. I bought in right here. Just to potential break out this 200 EMA line. So I ended up buying this here on this 1 minute candle to make a new high. I got filled at 404, and ended up selling at 407. It was kind of hesitating this 200 EMA line, so I didn't know if I trusted it. So just as it dipped down a little bit right here, so then I ended up selling out. So I got that. That was a nice trade. I took a couple more trades on it. 389. Let's see here. I think it was more this way, or was it down here more? 389. Yeah, so this one right here, just as market opened, first minute or green to red move, or red to green move. So I bought here to anticipate this breakout right here. So I bought at three. I bought at 39. I got filled at 391. So right here, to anticipate this crossing the two, retesting these EMA lines. And then I end up taking a small profit on that just as approach. It kind of hesitated right here a little bit, and then it fully broke out. But I took my like 4 cents profit on that one, so that was a little gainer. They're all just real small gains, but I'm just trying to go for consistency. And then I took another one at four right here, just passing this VWAP. It bounced off the VWAP, so I ended up buying in at the VWAP 4. And then ended up selling at 406. So right here. So yeah, just anticipated this breakout, or this bounce off VWAP, shot back up, and again it was kind of hesitating that the 200 moving average until buyers came in and it pushed through. But yeah, I just didn't really trust it, so that it was just real small profits today. And then I took 2 more trades on it. I think one was a loss. No, actually, I didn't lose on Aerc today. And then I had one more trade on it. It was from just as it broke this candle, right, or the VWAP line. So I got filled at 309. I put in my order for 310, but it filled me at 309, and then I ended up selling at 414. So just as anticipating that little breakout spot right there. So I got that in. And then one other trade, my last trade of the day, was I waited, where was it at? This pullback right here. So I seen this pullback right here. It was kind of risky. I waited for this green candle. I seen a little bit of volume coming in, so I ended up getting filled at 312 and sold at 316. So just this little break right here. So yeah, I'm still learning. I'm just trying to be more consistent, and I could have traded more, but $48. I'm finishing the green. This moved really nice at open. Pre-market it wasn't really moving. You had this big drop right here to down to 377, and pre-market, these aren't really until market open. This thing really popped off, swiped through the 200 moving average, and stayed above it, I think, until this little spot right here dipped down, and yeah, I think it closed above the 200 moving average too, I think. Oh yeah, it's right there. So yeah, but this thing did really nice. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow for another daily recap. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it.